In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 20% off TurboTax with a referral link. This method is simple, reliable, and usually works best for new users. It also has a nice bonus. When you file, your friend earns a $25 reward. Here's how to make the discount appear exactly where it matters, on your fees, without any confusion. Start by getting a referral link from a friend who uses TurboTax. They can share a unique link with you, and that link is what triggers the savings. When you receive it, click the link directly. The timing here is important. Open the referral link before you sign in. That click is what tells TurboTax to apply the discount to your account, so avoid opening the site first or signing in, and then hunting for the link later. For the smoothest experience, use the same browser and device from the moment you click the link through to starting your return, and try not to open multiple TurboTax tabs at once. Once the link opens, create your TurboTax account or log into your existing one. If you're brand new, you'll go through a quick account setup. If you already have an account, just sign in normally. The referral still needs to have been clicked first, so you're building on that step either way. Next, start your tax return. Choose the TurboTax product that fits your situation and begin entering your information. You don't have to finish the entire return to confirm the discount, but you should move far enough along to reach the filing area. When you're ready to check the savings, head to the File section and select Review Your Fees. This is the page where TurboTax tallies your charges and shows any active promotions. If the referral tracked correctly, you'll see the 20% discount applied automatically, often labeled as a referral discount or reflected as a reduced price. If you don't see the discount, the most common reason is that the referral link wasn't clicked before signing in, or the session switched browsers or devices. The example to keep in mind is simple. Your friend sends the link, you click it, and you get 20% off. That's the whole process. It's the most reliable method for claiming the discount, and new users usually qualify. Your friend benefits too, earning $25 when you file. Follow these steps in order, confirm your fees on the Review Your Fees page, and you'll lock in the savings automatically.